We done cop rollies on rollies on rollies, and I need another one.
DJ
I do
100.
not know you. I do not trust you. Don't fuck with no new niggas. Only my brothers. I might just have.
What's good, YouTube? Let's go on and remove this headliner. Get some work done or something. So I gotta finish putting my wood trim pieces in too. I ain't never finished. I ain't even, you see, I don't even be cleaning this car like that. I'ma clean it. But let's go on and remove this headliner. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing at all. No sags, no nothing. Let's go and get to it. As y'all know, y'all gotta remove, oh shit. Well, I'll show y'all that because the light not on, but let's go and get to it. Okay, YouTube, we got the panel down. You know, it ain't nothing but the pillars, really. Pillars, like 2 bolts and the overhead thing. Unsnap your light, unsnap all your pillars. And you got these armrest type things. You got to unscrew down they 10mm bolts. And bam, got them down. And everybody with these avalanches, while y'all got them down, or pickups, y'all should check y'all drain lines and all that. But this is pretty simple. You know, if y'all know, but the avalanche back window comes out. So I'm just gonna pull mine straight through there. Alright, and bam, just like that. Honestly, that was about a minute. It ain't come straight out. Had to bend a little bit, but you see I ain't bent it up or cracked it up. Nothing like that. So we're gonna call it a wrap on that. Take it in half. As y'all can see, got a lot more to go. Poking holes and pushing them through. So, show y'all what it looked like. About 10,000 more of these. I don't know how many more, but a hell of a lot more. Let me cut y'all right back on. That's what I was trying to do. I'll zoom y'all out. We getting it there. We getting it there. So, stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, we're about done. Gotta do some more. I'm gonna move some of these stars, these fibers. I'm gonna move some of these that's up there, spread them out a little bit more. Spread some of these out a little bit. For the most part, we done. And it's on remote and all that, you know how we do over here. Change colors, we can change speeds and all that crap. Let's see where this demo, see it's on remote, but let's see, demo, you can brighten it up, speed it up, that's bright, speed is here, I gotta speed it up just for y'all. You dig? We always working over here, man, always. Like I said, I'm gonna spread them out, so I'm gonna tune y'all back in a minute. Show y'all that. Well, not really show y'all that, but you know, 1,000 of these motherfuckers later. But I got y'all, man. Show y'all in a minute.